Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot. Today we make Mishloach Manot. Are you excited, Elisa?
Yeah.
Today we are going to make special Purim gift baskets called Mishloach Manot. And Elisa, my assistant over here, is going to help me. Are you excited to make Mishloach Manot?
Yes!
Yes! What do we have inside the Mishloach Manot?
Pretzels.
Yeah, chocolate-covered pretzels, other treats.
Sprinkly pretzels.
That's right.
Juice.
And juice also. This is actually a Mishloach Manot that I got from one of my friends, one of my teacher friends. So I thought I'd show this to you, an already made one. And we are also going to make our own. So the reason we give Mishloach Manot, or one of the reasons, is Purim is a happy holiday, and it's a day that we do nice things for each other and make other people happy. It's tomorrow! Yes, it is, Elisa. So we are going to make our own Mishloach Manot. But there is a rule for Mishloach Manot that some people follow. Not everybody follows it. But the rule that we follow in our family is that the foods that go inside the Mishloach Manot have to have two different blessings.
What is this?
That is the ribbon that we're going to use to tie it. Should we tell everybody about the brachot, about the blessings for Mishloach Manot?
Yeah.
Okay. So the foods have to have two different blessings. A blessing is something that we say to thank Hashem or God for the food that we eat. And different foods have different blessings. For example, anything that grows on a tree, we say, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei peri ha'etz. So anything that grows on a tree, hagafen is for grapes. Anything that grows on a tree, we say this bracha.
Apples.
And anything that grows from the ground, like a potato, we say, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei peri ha'adamah. That's anything we say for anything that grows on the ground. So it's potatoes. You're getting there. We're close. So this is anything that grows from the ground. And over here, we have a cake. And what do we need to make cake, Elisa?
Flour?
Yes, we need flour. So anything that we need to use flour for, we say, Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei minei mizonot. So each Mishloach Manot sometimes will have two different brachot in it. So over here in my Mishloach Manot, I have pretzels that are also made of flour. I have juice that is a different blessing that we didn't really talk about. So let's proceed to make our own Mishloach Manot. Here I have a clear plastic bag, but I think it's still really pretty. Even though it's plain, but I think it's pretty because we can see everything through it. So we're going to put in our cake, for which the blessing or the bracha is borei minei mizonot.
I can't wait to eat.
And we're going to put in a potato. Should we put a potato in our Mishloach Manot?
Yes.
Yeah, we should?
Yes.
Are people going to be able to just open it and eat it? They have to cook it first. So maybe we'll give them things that they could just eat. That was silly. So we can maybe put in this apple, which is borei peri ha'etz, that grows on a tree. The cake is made of flour.
It's a top of it.
And here it is. And Elisa, should we add a flower just to make it pretty?
Yeah.
So whoever we give it to will get to look at a pretty one. Oh, and I have a purple ribbon over here. You asked before what this is. Should we use this beautiful ribbon to tie it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the color purple?
Yeah.
Okay, let's tie this thing. Okay,
Also,
here we go.
Hannah likes purple.
Hannah likes purple? Your friends and your cousin Hannah likes purple? Oh, yeah, Hannah, you're in this video. How cool is that? Okay, and we have over here.
Pretty, I like it.
You like it? Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it? So now that we packed our Mishloach Manot, we're going to sing a song that talks about the Mishloach Manot, and we have two brachot in it. Now that we know what the brachot are, two. Okay, the song starts off slow, and then it goes faster and faster. Shtayim, that's right, that's how you say two in Hebrew. We ready to start with the music? 1, 2, 3, go. Let's get ready. Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot. Okay. Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, yummy, yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. Is it gonna get faster? Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, Mishloach Manot, 2 brachot in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. So yummy, 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 yummy treats in our Mishloach Manot. Oh my goodness. Can't get faster than that. That was really fun, wasn't it, Elisa? Yeah.
I did the whole song.
Yeah, you did the whole song. You did awesome. Give me a high five. Let's do an air high five. Whoosh with everybody who's watching.
Whoosh.
So, if you are getting Mishloach Manot this Purim, I hope you enjoy it. And whatever you are doing for Purim.
And eat it all up with your family.
Yeah, and eat it all up with your family. I love that idea.
Bye.
All right, my friends. Bye. Have a happy Purim. Can you say happy Purim to all our friends?
Happy Purim.
Bye.